Well, good morning, everybody. Well, I haven't been to sleep. I worked my butt off in getting that awful video just updated. What a stinker that thing turned out to be. Hopefully, not everyone hated it. It's a little update on the Ford Fusion. I'm taking it in right now. It's about 7:15 in the morning to go in to have its 5,000-mile checkup and also to check in on that recall that I spoke of earlier. Before I get into that, I just wanted to show one thing that absolutely infuriates the hell out of me. You see this mirror here? You see that? That crack right there and right there? Well, I have a tight garage. And the lady who lives in my house has been forbidden from driving my car because she scraped the side of the car. Now, lucky for me, it was just a paint transfer, and it was right into the clear coat, so they were able to wet sand it right out. So it's not a big deal. I forbade her from pulling the car out of the garage anymore because apparently she couldn't pull it in properly. And lo and behold, you see what this is? She didn't do that. I did that. Why? Because I'm a frickin' moron. Well, now, I'm happy I paid for the Ford insurance. Ford insurance is an extra $15 per month, and it covers up to $5,000 worth of damage when you turn the car in 3 months. It's $1,000 per individual item. Oh, there's my finger in this stupid thing again. I don't have my holder with me. Well, I went and looked to find out about the mirror. It comes in many parts and so forth, which is pretty cool and so forth. However, in order to replace this part right here, you've got to replace pretty much the whole damn mirror except for this cap right here. The whole mirror. And take a guess at how much that mirror is. $799. Are they out of their freaking minds? They told me they would, they could sell it for me for $5.99. Oh my freaking Lord. Thank God I have that insurance. Otherwise, heaven forbid what that would cost me. I would kill myself. Now, I found the mirror online for like $475. I mean, it's pretty much a basic. I mean, it's not basic. It does just about everything on the planet except I don't know, tickle your butt. But it's pretty much the same as most other Ford Fusions or many Ford Fusions. The only problem is, while this cap can come off, it's painted. This part right here, you have to get painted. It doesn't come in the proper color, and probably right here, you probably have to get that painted. So even if you buy it, you still have to get that part painted. Probably another $150 or so. But just a fair warning, whenever you pull into a small, or get ready to pull out of a small garage, do that. It's going to save you 800 frickin' bucks. Just a fair warning, the parts on this car are absolutely ridiculous in price. So that's just a quick fair warning. I will get back later with you guys and let you know how it went with the update, assuming I get the car back today. Take care and have a good night. This is, a good morning. It's going to be a good night for me soon. Verdier out.